your boy Gurr's about to get on it. Had to bring the K20 out for a ride. I'm trying to race home right now, honestly, to beat the rain, but dude, this tune's not even 100% right now, and this car is pulling insane right now. Fuel's at like 14.7, partial throttle. Guys, just got home. Coming up the video, I heard VTEC does cure against pandemics. So be sure to hit VTEC, guys. Hit that like button if you like the video. And we are currently at 199,692 miles, guys. So we got about, we'll round to 700, 199. 700, so we got 300 miles to go until this car gets parked, and you guys know what's next, guys. K24 is coming. Comment down below, how many miles does your K series have? You have a K20, K24A2, K24A, K20A2, whatever you have. Drop your comments down below. Let me know the mileage you guys get on VTEC a lot. This car is so much fun. I always forget the potential of the K20, and every time I get in it, you know, it makes me not want to pull it or not want to get rid of it once I do swap my K24 in there. So I want to show you guys, we got the RBC package right here. You could see part number is the RBC 003, and this is the rich boy mod, I call it, okay? Got the new 50-degree VTC actuator, guys. Best mod for the money right here. I should be able to squeeze, I don't know, maybe just a little bit, maybe a little horsepower, a little torque. And I originally wasn't even gonna reveal my setup, guys, when I do my swap, just because I'm not even trying to sound crazy, but it's gonna rip. Like, it's gonna rip for what it is. All right, so we'll put the pocket change mod back in the bag. Seriously, guys, it's been taking forever. I've had the K24 for about 4 months now, and you got to get the motor and then you get the parts. The most money you're going to spend, obviously, is, you know, timing parts, you know, gearing, VTC actuator, your clutch kit, all that. So I got a few more things left. It's crazy to say that I might hit my potential limit, my cap, which is $1,500. So $1,500 budget build K24 for the win. So I'll see all of you guys in the next video. I hope you're staying safe out there. I know there's a lot of stuff going on in the United States right now and other countries, but just be positive, you know, relax, enjoy family time, you know, stay isolated in a way, but be sure you're doing your passion and having a good time. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to subscribe.